This is a brief video of our 1998 Okuma MX 45 VBE. It's a 50 taper, 30 by 18 XY travel machine. The machine does need the spindle bearings redone, and it needs thrust bearings on X and Y axes. We're going to jog everything around here, but first we're going to start by running the spindle. This is at 500 RPMs. It's not very noisy, but I wanted to show what the spindle load rating is. If you can see it there, it's reading at 22% spindle load at 500 RPMs. I'm going to briefly run it a little higher. Here's 1,000 RPMs. That's 30% spindle load. And here's 5,000 RPM just for a moment. And we're certain that it is the spindle bearing. So in any event, here is the rapid on the X. Here's rapid on the Y. So Y is much quieter than X, and then Z is whisper quiet. Z needs nothing. And I forgot to, so I'm going to do a quick tool change here. Just to show that everything's functional. And a quick walk around on the machine. The transformer. There's also a coolant tank and a chip conveyor accompanying this machine. In fact, I will shut the video and start it again real quick by the chip conveyor and coolant tank just to show those items. This is the chip conveyor for the Okuma MX 45 VBE. And this is the coolant tank for it, I believe. No, this is the coolant tank for it, sorry. Leveling feet.